For the best tree removal company in Augusta, call 706-407-2250. Are you looking for a reliable tree service? Do you need a tree trimmed or removed? We are a local company with experts specializing in tree removal, tree trimming, and more. We have been serving the area for over a decade. With over 20 years of experience. Give us a call today at 706-407-2250.